Welcome to Cooking with Jamie. Here I am boiling the water for the noodles. I start the stove to get the water boiling so I can get it to a rolling boil so I can put the noodles in. Here I am adding a half a cup of chicken broth. Now I'm adding a cream of chicken soup for the Swedish meatball mixture. Now you want to give it a good stir so it stirs up both the chicken broth and the cream of chicken soup. So I decided to double the recipe because we like it really saucy. So I added another half a cup of chicken broth and another can of cream of chicken soup so I could have more sauce. Here I'm adding Rosina Swedish Meatballs. They came out of the freezer, they were frozen. It says you can put them in the microwave and microwave them to get them unfrozen, but I just added them frozen and I'll boil them in the sauce for a while till they're, hot. Here I'm adding some mushrooms to the sauce. Here I'm giving it a good stir to make sure everything's mixed in to the sauce so it all heats evenly. Probably want to, continue stirring. So the water is boiling and I'm adding some salt to the water to give the noodles a little flavor. So I'm adding the noodles to the water. The water's boiling, so I turned it down a little bit so it wouldn't boil it over. And I usually use egg noodles, but this is what we just had on hand. We were just using what we had. Now I've turned the burner back up to get it back to the boil while the noodles are in. It shouldn't take long. I just did that so it wouldn't boil over and water get all over the stove. Now I'm setting the timer for about 8 minutes. It's going to take about 8 minutes for the noodles to be done. Now it's been 8 minutes, so now I'm gonna turn the burner off on the water, and then I'm going to strain the noodles in a strainer to get them separated from the water. Now that we've strained the noodles, I'm dumping them back into the pan so we can serve them out of the pan. Now that our sauce is heated up, I'm taking off the cover. Now I'm just adding a half a cup of sour cream. You don't want to boil it, you just want to warm it up. Now I'm adding another half cup of sour cream because I doubled the recipe. So now you want to give it a good stir so everything's mixed up nicely. There you have it, Swedish meatballs on the stove. Now you just have to put some noodles on the plate and put the sauce over it. Thanks for watching. The recipe is on the back of the Swedish meatball bag, or I'll write it in the description. Thank you.
Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.